Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are removing the trunk trim or trunk panel, if you will. This piece right here. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we start off by folding the seats forward, and we can remove this and this lid. And we remove this tray. Now we can remove this piece as well. And now, right here and here, we have two 10mm bolts. And we need to remove this box. And now we can lift this up, this plastic piece, like so. And right here is a Phillips head screw holding this hook. Like so. And right here is a 10mm bolt. And right here we have this clip. We press in the middle part. And we can remove it. Like so. Now we should be able to just it can be a bit tight. Like I say, it is really tight. Now we're getting somewhere. So make sure you slide the belt to this opening. Right here is an opening for the belt. And there's two connectors, one for the light and one for the cigarette lighter. Remove those. And voila! So behind the panel we have this electrical connector for the cigarette lighter and courtesy lamp. Right here is a module of some sort, not sure for what. Okay. So, the reinstall is just the reverse of removal. It's not an easy task, but not that hard either. Well, thanks for watching everyone, and remember, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.